So this is the November 17th garbage truck damage. This right here is the actual garbage truck who did the worst job today. Here we go. And he backed down and then came through here again, backed up again, and out through here. This is all today's because the rain washed away the tracks from last Wednesday. Recycling, this is the recycling trucks right here, just now. Kind of stayed on the rocks, but didn't really try very hard. You just saw the video of that. Today.